Welcome to Hope's Homemade Kitchen. Tonight we're making salmon rice bowls. These are delicious bowls made with all healthy ingredients, starting with a homemade cabbage slaw with a light dressing. I'll be air frying some salmon bites that I've marinated in a teriyaki style sauce, and we'll serve it over a bed of jasmine rice and top it with sliced cucumbers, avocado, a mayo sriracha dressing, and then finally we'll be sprinkling some everything bagel seasoning on it. Okay, we're going to get started by mixing up our salmon marinade. I have a tablespoon of fresh ginger that's been minced and a teaspoon of fresh garlic. So I'll put that in a bowl. I want 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, which is like a rice cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of honey, a half teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. I'm going to give that a good whisk. Now I have 1.5 pounds of salmon fillet. I'm just going to cut these into bite-sized pieces. I'm going to drop this down into the marinade. Now what I'm making tonight makes about 4 to 5 servings. And we're going to toss this in the marinade. This makes like a kind of a teriyaki style seasoning. Okay, we'll let that marinate while we make our homemade coleslaw mix. We're going to start and we're going to make some kind of matchstick carrots. Now you can certainly start with a ready-made bought coleslaw mix. Sometimes that's the most convenient option. And once you have your thinly sliced little sticks there, cut them into the size pieces that you like. Now put that into a bowl. And slice some cabbage here, thinly sliced pieces. And this is great to eat by itself as well. So I'm going to make a little bit more than I need for the bowls tonight. If you have a food processor with the slicing blade, you could use that as well. I want some red cabbage. Okay, to this mix I want to slice 2 green onions. I want to just give that a toss. Now for the dressing, I want 1.5 tablespoons of rice vinegar. If you don't have rice vinegar, you can use any other kind of vinegar you have. In another recipe, I also use like an apple cider vinegar, so that would work. A teaspoon of soy sauce, a half a teaspoon of sesame oil, and a tablespoon of honey. Just going to do like a little dash of salt and a little bit of pepper in there. And just give that a quick whisk. I'll go ahead and pour that over the top. Now I'm going to stick that in the fridge while we make our other ingredients. I'll go ahead and preheat my air fryer to 400 degrees. Okay, I'm going to lightly spray my basket with olive oil. I'll add in as much of the salmon bites as I can. It's going to be a perfect fit. I'm going to try to get them in a single layer if possible. I'm just going to start with 10 minutes. I'll check it along the way. And next I'm going to make my mayo sriracha sauce, which is very easy. It's 1/4 cup of whatever your choice of mayo is, and 1.5 tablespoons of sriracha sauce. Just give that a stir. Now if you want to do a fancy drizzle, just pour that sauce into a Ziploc bag And when you're ready to serve it, you can snip off the end and drizzle it on the top of the bowls. Okay, we're going to thinly slice a half of an English cucumber. Then we're going to slice an avocado. Hopefully this is a good one. Yeah, pretty good. Okay, we're going to put these bowls together now. I'm going to start with a bed of rice. I had some jasmine rice left over that I've warmed up. Next, I'm going to put some of that homemade slaw. Put some cucumbers. And a good helping of that nice salmon that we marinated and air fried. I'm going to put some avocado. I'm going to drizzle on some of that sriracha mayo. And finish it off with a little sprinkling of everything bagel seasoning. You could also use toasted sesame seeds. Isn't that a beautiful bowl? Okay, let's give this a taste test. I want a little bit of the rice, a little bit of the salmon. Oh wow. This is a restaurant quality salmon rice bowl that you can make at home so easily. My opinion is that when you make salmon in the air fryer, there's no other better way to make it. That crispiness around the edges, this marinade gives it like a savory, slightly sweet, almost teriyaki flavor. This is so good. The freshness and the crunch of the vegetables, that wonderful air-fried salmon with the crispy edges, served over the nice jasmine rice. A little bit of avocado in there for creaminess. And that sriracha mayo just gives it a little bit of heat. I think I'm gonna go eat now. Thank you so much for joining me today on Hope's Homemade Kitchen as we made salmon rice bowls. I really hope you make this. It's definitely worth the effort. We'll see you next time.